And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
You can see the clouds, the rainfall moving up and around the monster dome of heat, the big upper ridge right here in the heart of the country. I mean, it was just hot everywhere. Milwaukee, 98 today. Montgomery, Alabama, 99. 100 at Chicago, 100 at Champaign, Illinois, hundreds in the plains. And this ridge is acting as a block, so this storm has not moved much in the northern Rockies and pulled a tremendous amount of Pacific moisture that was tied to an abnormally warm north central Pacific, and that's what's produced all the flooding rains up here on Yellowstone and then all the way to Saskatoon and Edmonton and Calgary here in Canada. But at the same time, on its periphery, the derecho that went through parts of Illinois, Michigan, Indiana, Ohio last night is now all the way moving offshore from Florida. And then the flow on the underbelly of it is pushing the tropical air up over the mountains of Mexico. And we've had some powerful thunderstorms, like even around Mexico City, some tremendous hail has occurred there. So it's all tied to the big upper ridge here, the dome of heat. Now it's starting to contract a little bit. There goes what's left of that derecho that caused the 98-mile-per-hour wind gust at Fort Wayne last night. It'll contract a little bit more, get a little cooler by Saturday. The thing is, it will then re-expand. This was a big thing in the summer forecast we talked about during the winter. This semi-permanent hot upper ridge that will be kind of centered over the central part of the U.S. It will be expanding and contracting off and on all summer. And we're looking at flash drought down the road. That said, 99 tomorrow, another very hot day. Heat indices near 110 at 77 in the morning, highs 95 to 100. Heat indices 106 to 118. Thursday, an isolated shower storm in the morning, only 20% coverage, then mostly sunny, turning windy in the afternoon. A hot day at 90 to 96. Here's the thing. By afternoon, the heat indices will be completely falling off because much drier air will be coming in. Dew points will be dropping actually towards the 50s by afternoon. That said, there are a couple shower storms Thursday morning. That's it. Very isolated. Then we're mostly sunny Thursday afternoon, windy, less humid, but still hot. Gets a little humid Thursday night. A secondary cold front comes in with a very isolated shower storm. Then it gets a little bit cooler and less humid even on Friday and into Saturday. Winds are kind of northeast on Saturday. Saturday, no doubt about it, it's going to be in the 80s to pushing 90. The thing is, the humidity is really low on Saturday. Sunday, here comes the ridge re-expanding. So here we are Sunday morning. This is a warm front. The ridge re-expands like that, and we are back in it. Here's the dome of heat that dominates, getting into early and middle parts of next week, and there's just not much rainfall. I mean, if we're going to get some decent rain, it may take like a derecho or a complex of storms to try to get in here around like June 25th, 24th, and even that is iffy. And beyond that, you know, there's just not much rain setting up to very early July around here. I talk about that in your Storm Team 18 Chad's blog post that's up right now based on all brand new data. 7-day forecast, normals 83. We'll be at 90 Friday, 86 Saturday, perfect for the taste, 90 for Father's Day, then extreme heat next week.